Have you just started producing music and want to know the first steps to create dubstep? Then this is your video. Let's start setting the BPM at 150. Years ago the trending was 140. Now take good samples for the drums. I recommend you my ultimate dubstep sample pack with a tons of high quality samples. Take a kick. Now a snare. Send both to the channel mixer and let's add EQ to the kick. Now the snare. Time for some hi-hats. And let's send them to the playlist. Now a bit of sound design to the bass line using X-Fur Serum. Add the bass line to the channel mixer and add a lot of saturation or distortion plugins. This is for add more body and color to the bass, and do not forget the OTT. Add another bass to fill the first one. Time for sidechain. You can use external plugins or make an automation with Fruity Balance. Now a siren type effect to fill the background. This is our ear candy. Some extra bass to not make this bored. Time for reverb. time for the sub bass. Cut the low frequencies on the bass line to add space for the sub bass and do not mess the mix. Some downlifter effects and change on the bass line and our drop is ready. Let's check this out. Great. If you liked, subscribe for more content. If you wanna support the channel, visit overmusic.website and check some samples or presets. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.